Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's me, Max the Monkey, and today I'm taking over New York City!
First stop, banana break, obviously. People here love me more than the naked cowboy.
Tried to get a Frappuccino, but apparently monkeys need wallets. Rude. Skateboard skills, 10 out of 10. Dog vibes, 2 out of 10. That pug wanted smoke.
Subway time. I made a friend. He was watching cat videos. Classic.
Ain't no monkey business when it comes to pizza. This slice is H.E. Evan. Golden hour hit different when you're vibing at the Brooklyn Bridge. Hashtag influencer.
Day's done, just me, the stars, and the soda I may or may not have stolen.
Smash that like button, subscribe, and remember, never monkey around in NYC, unless you're me.